After the palace visit, we took a bus to Seoul Digital World. On the way, we noticed every apartment tower had large numbers on its side, a clever way to identify buildings easily.
At Digital World, the interactive floors and colorful LED walls were mind-blowing, shifting patterns as we walked.
Step into a magical digital forest in Seoul. In this immersive room, glowing deer gracefully move across the walls. It is a visual playground, perfect blend of art and technology. We were fascinated by its interactive experience, which is unique to Seoul.
The floor and walls are covered in a sea of digital flowers that react to our presence.
As we walk, flowers bloom with every step. And when you touch the walls, vibrant blossoms burst to life at your fingertips.
After dinner, we decided to take a stroll through the streets of Myeongdong Market. Even at night, it is alive. Street food vendors, neon signs, and fashion stalls everywhere. It is the heartbeat of modern Seoul, bright, youthful, and full of life.
The next morning, after breakfast, we admired Seoul from our balcony. The city was already very active.